Hi, many people know if I really want my dream come true, I have to see the picture and feel like I have it right now. But why this law of the universe is not working for everybody? It's just very simple. Because we often don't take responsibility for making the action if the circumstances permit. Like, I want to have a new car. Are you really ready to have a new car if you have enough money today? Are you sure that you are not going to spend this money on something else? This is all about responsibility. This is all about taking risk. And we cannot feel it really very well if we have some blocks and fears about this. That's why we may say, okay, I felt this, but it didn't come true. No, it means that you didn't feel it enough. You don't have enough energy for this dream to come true. Work with your fears and work with your blocks, and then everything will be all right. And of course, take a risk.